everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Annie and this is Soft Vaishre. One of the most common issue is that we all have belly fat. Unfortunately for Indians, सारा का सारा fat यहाँ आता है, which is not in our control. This is something which is because of genetics. आप इसको कंट्रोल नहीं कर सकते हो, आप इसको चेंज नहीं कर सकते हो, लेकिन जो आप चेंज कर सकते हो वो है your fitness knowledge and education. So today's video is all about belly fat. How to reduce belly fat in a very simpler way. There was a time where I was not good in terms of my health because I used to eat a lot of junk. हर रोज कुछ ना कुछ मैं बाहर का जरूर खाती थी. And most frequent junk जो मेरे लिए था वो था chili potato. I used to love it. And then after working out and keeping the control over my cheat days, तब जाके I went from this to this. When it comes to the fat loss, आप specifically किसी part से fat loss नहीं करते हो. It actually reduces the fat from all over your body. So if you want to burn fat from all over your body, there are two things that you need to keep in your mind. First is diet and second is your exercise. So if your goal is to fat loss, then it will involve resistance training plus cardio. जब आप resistance training करते हो तब आपकी body damage होती है. तो बेसिकली आपके मसल्स डैमेज होते हैं जिनको रिपेयर करने के लिए वी नीड कैलोरीज, प्रोटीन, कार्ब्स. नाउ लेट्स ब्रेक डाउन सम मिथ. वी ऑल हैव दैट मिसकंसेप्शन, जब हम एब्स की वर्कआउट करते हैं तब हमारा बेली फैट कम होता है. नाउ व्हाट यू नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड, if we do any kind of workout or exercise, it does not burn your belly fat. It basically maintains and build your muscle. For example, if we do biceps curl, it will not burn your biceps fat, but it will make your biceps stronger and bigger in size. Similarly, अगर हम belly fat का workout करते हैं, उसमें आपका जो belly fat है वो कम नहीं हो रहा है. Basically, core जो है आपकी strong हो रही है. Every single person have abs inside that, whether the person work out or not. I have abs, you have abs, your mother, father, brother have abs. It's basically hidden behind your belly fat. So supposingly this is my belly fat and here are my abs. So we do belly fat exercises. What happens? The abs move closer to the outer layer of your belly. It basically helps to flattening your stomach. Remember, there are two ways of exercise. First, you work on your inner abs and reach to the point where you actually get to see the abs. Secondly, you work on your outer layer, which is the very hardest part, which includes diet. अगर आपका main goal है fat loss करना, then you need to keep these three things in your mind. First, calories, carbs, protein. First is calories. Now, every single person have their maintenance calories. If you go above it, you'll gain weight. If you go below it, you'll lose weight. Just keep a track of your calories intake and maintain it. Secondly, carbohydrates. There are good carbs and bad carbs. Bad carbs are harder for your body to break it down, but are very easy to digest and quickly breaks down. Bad carbs are like sugar, white rice, flour, potato. You need to replace these things with the good carbs like whole wheat, brown rice, oats, sweet potato. If you are very serious about your fat loss, then you need to cut off all your sugary things. Third, protein. मेक श्योर कि आप प्रोटीन इनटेक अच्छे से कर रहे हो. मेक श्योर कि आप हर एक मील में प्रोटीन ऐड कर रहे हो. लेट्स से ब्रेकफास्ट, लंच, डिनर, कुछ ना कुछ इन हर मील में प्रोटीन का सोर्स होना ही चाहिए. आप ट्रेनिंग कर रहे हो, आप प्रोटीन इनटेक कर रहे हो, विच इज गुड फॉर योर रिफ्यूलिंग योर बॉडी. Then you put on lean muscle and then you burn fat. I want to request you all that don't believe on this quick post or shortcut ways to reduce fat because it's eventually going to take time. Harsh reality is, of course, it will take time. Of course, you need to work hard for losing your weight. But if you be dedicated and you have control on your diet, that this is for sure possible. You need to ignore those posts जहाँ पर बोला जाता है 7 दिन में 10 दिन में you can reduce this much of weight. So these are something you need to ignore and focus on your diet and exercise. These two things are very important. Do the basics which is needed, right? Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you like this video. If you do, then hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Also, just tell me what you think about this video. If you have any queries related to this video, please let me know in the comment section and I'll reply. And thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, bye. Love you all.